so strongly that if you haven't got a strong online social media experience for your customer base, that you may as well close your shop and go home, because you won't be at the races. You're not going to be competitive.
I've seen in the local press or the news, I saw it on social media as well, that you guys, Bond Wolf, have made an investment in a tech company, a social media company, headed up by Craig Upton, who I know is a great guy. What's the thinking behind that? Is that something that you are actively looking at, more tech investments as well?
We always look for good talent to support and back, and Craig I've known for a number of years. He's one of the people that we use to do various social media work for us, and rather than just be a client of a PR or a media business, if we are a co-owner of that business, they will look upon us differently as a client, because we'll be a key client, or we'll be the client that's also a shareholder. So what we've done is we've invested with Craig in that business, and it's only been a matter of months, but it's already growing to a proportion that we will now need to revisit how we were going to manage it. But I believe so strongly that if you haven't got a strong online social media experience for your customer base, that you may as well close your shop and go home, because you won't be at the races. You're not going to be competitive.